Hey everyone, let's ensure your task management is visually perfect by setting up consistent status colors across your entire ClickUp workspace. We'll use the Status Manager, which controls status names, order, and associated colors, ensuring consistency between board and list views. Understanding task views and statuses. Task color is derived from its status, which is displayed differently in your two primary views. Board view displays tasks as visual cards arranged in vertical columns, where each column represents a status. List view shows tasks in a linear list, with the status color appearing as a small indicator beside each task entry. Identify current colors. Notice the current color scheme, for example, blue, pinkish, or green, applied to various tasks based on their stage. You can switch between these views using the selector at the top of the workspace. Next, accessing the Status Manager. The Status Manager is the centralized control panel for all your workflow stages. Locate Column Menu, navigate to the Board view, and click the three-dot menu icon located on the header of the status column you intend to modify, for example, the In Progress column. Open Editor. From the options that appear, select Edit Statuses. This action opens the Status Manager panel. Select Status. Within the Status Manager, locate the specific status name that needs a color change, for example, In Progress. Applying and finalizing the new color. Changing the color in the manager applies the update across the entire project. Click Color Swatch. Click the current color swatch located next to the status name to open the color picker. Choose New Hue. Select your desired new color from the palette, for instance choosing yellow to signify In Progress. Confirm and save. Click Apply Changes to save the new color setting. Close. Close the Status Manager panel. The interface updates instantly. Next, verification across all views. The task color is consistently updated for every task associated with that status. Board check. Verify the change in board view. The column header and all tasks within that status now show the yellow color. List check. Switch back to list view. The status indicator beside each task entry now displays the new updated color. This confirms that a single edit in the Status Manager achieves consistency across all project views. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.